Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account on iPhone. So make sure you will just launch the Facebook application on your iOS device and move in the right bottom corner option is menu. Scroll down, just finding settings and privacy. After here you will see the Meta account center, or you will be just search it for the delete simply as well. And after here for the searching you will see the personal details, just tap on it as well. And after here you will see the account ownership and control, so simply just tap on it. So the second option is deactivation or deletion, so just tap on it and just select your account. So after here you will see there is the option is deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from the most things you have been shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So simply just tap on it to continue. And if you have created any of page that has been connected with the Facebook, and it will also deactivate it, so simply just tap on it as well and just type your account password and just tap on it to continue. After here you will be just deactivated your Facebook account on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.